Welcome to the FlameTask video on models. In other systems, adding equipment can be time-consuming. You need to determine which services to add, what their next dates are, and enter information such as manufacturer, size, etc. With FlameTask, just set the model and this equipment now knows it's a 5-pound ABC extinguisher with these services. The service due dates have been automatically calculated based on the manufacture date. Models can be added under Settings, Equipment Types, then Models. Model fields are customizable under Settings in Custom Fields for Model. Each equipment type can have their own specific fields, such as voltage on an alarm, or size and type on an extinguisher. Thanks for watching the FlameTask video on models.